Hi my angels, welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here and today I'm so super happy because I actually did a glamorous makeup look after so long. I can't even recall. This is such a glamorous and gorgeous makeup look for your Indian functions, for any of your wedding functions, and you're going to look absolutely amazing. If you don't want to wear the white kajal, you can totally skip it and go with your regular black kajal. But I am so much in love with this eye makeup that I can't even tell you how happy I am, and I hope you guys are going to enjoy this makeup tutorial. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget subscribe to my channel because that is going to mean a lot to me and it's not going to cost you anything. Even please stay tuned for more such updates, and even I'm posting regular vlogs and even I'm trying to come up with more informative makeup and makeup related videos. I hope you are going to enjoy whatever is coming in this channel. So if you are new to my channel, hi, this is Anamika. I make videos on makeup, skincare, hair care and all beauty related. Plus I love to share all my vlogs with you guys, what's happening in my life. So if you are interested, then please subscribe to my channel, and if you wish to know how I have created this gorgeous makeup look, then please keep on watching. So guys, firstly I'm going to start by prepping my skin for the makeup. As I have just washed my face with my face wash, I am going to use the Crystal Micro Essence by L'Oreal. And this is one of my holy grail, you guys already know. Like, I have been using this and I'm so super obsessed with this, I can't even tell you. And that's it. I'm going to let this sink into my skin, and then I'm going to move on to the moisturizer. Now for moisturizing my face, I'm going with this L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Crystal Fresh Hydrating Gel Cream. Such a mouthful of name. I'm going to apply this all over my face, and always make sure guys that you are actually moisturizing your face really well. Before starting your makeup, you really need to hydrate the skin. And guys, always remember that you need to actually moisturize your face and prep your skin really well before going for the makeup, which is going to actually make your makeup look really nice, and it is even going to long last. So skin prep is very important, not only for your skin, even for your makeup to look flawless. And now I'm going to prime my face, and this looks so luxurious and I really love it. This is from PAC. This is their oil control primer for minimizing the pores, and it is also paraben free. So I'm taking 2 pumps of this and I'm going to apply this all over my face, but concentrating on the areas I have pores. This is one of the new primers I have been trying, and I think I'm just in love. This is my second or third time I'm trying this. So today I was planning to use the MAC foundation, but suddenly what I have realized after ordering this, I am fairer than ever before. Like, this was my shade, which is the NC35, but unfortunately right now I am in the shade NC25 and I don't have the 25. This is a little darker. Like I know NC35 is my shade and I have used this earlier, but right now I can see that my complexion is changed. I'm more fair. I'm thinking that I'm going to use this foundation and use a light concealer to conceal my face, and let us work with this. So I'm taking a little bit on the back of my hand. I do have the tray, but it's okay, कोई बात नहीं, हाथ में ले लेते हैं. See how dark this foundation is for me. Like, I really can't believe that I have become more lighted than this. This has always been my shade. Like, NC35 was my shade. but कोई बात नहीं, changes आते हैं. I have to accept the change. So I'm going to dab this all over my face. Now for concealing, I'm taking two different concealers. First I'll be going with the Maybelline one, and I'm going to go on the usual areas I normally highlight and conceal. Again, I'll be blending this out. Next, to highlight my face, I'm taking the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. This is in the shade Light. I'm going to go with this on the areas I want to highlight my face. And I'm going to let this be on my face for a couple of seconds and then start blending it. Whatever I'm having in here, I'm just going to rub it on this area underneath where my contour would be. So that's it. Now I'm going to use the Fit Me Loose powder. This is in the shade 15, and I'll be using my beauty blender for this. Now with the powder brush, I'm just going to remove all of it. And now you can see the foundation is well balanced. Onto the eyebrows. For that, I'm taking the PAC eyebrow definer, and I'm going to do my brows off the camera as usual. So there you go. So my eyebrows are done. Now I am going to move on to my eyes, and for that I'm taking the You Can Be palette. This is pretty all set, and this is how the palette looks. It has got amazing beautiful colors. So today I'll be going with all of these neutral shades. Taking the black first with the eyeliner brush from Bailey, and I'm going to bake the under eye first so this can catch all the fallouts. So with the angled brush, I'm going to draw the crease first. Now I'm going to blend this out. Don't go in here, you don't need to blend that part, but just on the crease. I did not take any other shade in this brush. This is just a small pencil brush, and I'm just blending this out. Taking another pencil brush, I'm picking up this burnt orange shade, and I'm just going to blend the crease line. And then I'm going with this shade right here. Now taking a different brush, I'm just going to blend all the shades together. Now I'm taking this flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to cut the crease. That you can take any concealer you have. I'm going with the Maybelline concealer. eyeliner, I'm going with this shade first. Then I'll take this golden. I'm taking the same brush I have cut my crease, placing my first shade on the inner corners. And next I'm taking the golden shade on the mid of my eyes. And then I'm going to take the same black shade on the outer V. And now I'm taking this shade right here. I'm going to apply this in this area where both the golden and the black is meeting for a nice transition there. With the fluffy brush, I'm just blending the edges out. And now I'll take a little bit of glitter from the same palette and apply this only where the golden is. And as my eyeshadow work is done, I'm just going to wipe off this powder from my face. Now again moving on to my face, and for that I'm taking the Sugar Vivid Victory, and this is a contour palette, and I'm going to contour the usual areas I normally do. Taking a bigger blending brush for my nose contouring. And now for my blusher, I'm taking the Eye Magic palette, and I'll be going with this shade right here. And now for my highlighter, I am taking one of my favorite, you definitely know it, and this is the Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold. And I'm going to apply this with a fluffy blending brush. And for eyeliner, today I'm taking the Sugar Arrested for Overstay Waterproof Eyeliner. This is the 01 All B Black. On the upper lids, I'm going with a very thin line, making a wing liner connecting with the black eyeshadow. And now I'm taking the other colors Jumbo Liner for the lower lash line. And now I'm going to smoke out the lower lash with these two colors right here. First I'll be going with the lighter shade. Now I'm taking the Maybelline Colossal Mascara for upper and the lower lashes. Now again I'm taking the highlighter and I'll be applying this on the inner corners and even on the eyebrow bone. And for this look I'm going for a very brownish sort of a look on the lips, and this is the Wet n Wild Sandstorm. So guys, that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching this. I myself enjoyed filming this. This was such a creative and such a wonderful makeup like I have done in ages. I really like how my skin is looking. All the base is so perfect on point, and even the eye makeup is such a bomb. If you wish, you can change your lip shade to any color because all your eye shades are actually neutral. So you can go for nude, you can go for red, you can go for maroon, whichever you prefer you can definitely go for. But always make sure that you're going on the warmer side, and that is going to look amazing. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. So you know what you have to do, just give me a like and even subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on my social media handles like Facebook and Instagram. Even if you guys don't know, I'm a professional makeup artist and I do have a separate Instagram account, so please go and follow me on all my social media handles. And you want to wear this for any Indian occasion, you can just go ahead. And that's it. We'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Love you all. Mwah. Bye.